Welcome to the tutorials for the SONAPHONE DataSuite software. In this video, I show you how to work with the AssetExpert app and how to select a route that has been created. First, open the AssetExpert app. You can load several routes into the app at the same time. I have loaded 2 routes onto my SONAPHONE. Up here, you have the possibility to sort the routes, for example, by name, date, or number of measurement points. If you press the magnifying glass above, you can search for your routes. If you have loaded a large number of routes on your device, this is particularly useful. I have 2 routes loaded onto my SONAPHONE. Now, select the route Feed Water by pressing the green tick. Now all of my measurement points that I have created in advance with the DataSuite are displayed. I can now run through this piece by piece to the end.